Hello students, in the previous video we learned the similarities of triangles and also did one small activity. So in this video we are going to prove basic proportionality theorem. So basic proportionality theorem is also called as Thales theorem. So the statement of this theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides, in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. It is nothing but, see, consider this as triangle. This is a triangle A, B and C. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, see, here is a one line, and consider this line ABC, and I draw one line parallel to BC. So parallel to one line. So I draw one line which is parallel to one side of a triangle. So this line intersect the other two sides. So here this line intersect the AB and AC. Mark this as D and B. So D intersect AB, E intersect AC. So the fraction for that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So now move on to proof of this theorem. So the proof is, we are given a triangle ABC. We are given a triangle ABC. They have given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel to side BC intersect other two sides AB and AC. Intersect other two sides AB and AC at the point D and E respectively. At the point D and E respectively. So here we need to prove that AD by DB equals AE by EC. We need to prove AD by DB equals AE by EC. We need to prove this. So let us join BE and CD. Let's join BE and CD. So here we are going to join. Let us join BE and DC. BE and DC or CD. So BE and DC. Okay. So observe here D, if you draw a line D and M, D and M. Wait, I'll draw them and no. Here we join BE and CD and then so I mark this point as M and this point as N. So here joint DE and CD, again drawn one line in the middle of AE and AD, and I join those 2 points DM and EN. So here D and M, D, so here D and M, this is a line DM, is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means, so this line is perpendicular to AD. So again E and N, E and N is perpendicular to AD. Or you can write it as DM is perpendicular to AC also. This is a straight line. So again AB, EN is perpendicular to A, B. So again this is a construction to be done. Initially we need to join these two points and mark one more point and join. So here DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. So before going to prove that, let us see before going to prove this theorem, we need to know how to calculate the area of the triangle. So for example, this is a triangle A, B and C. So to find out this area of triangle A, this area of the triangle is formula of into base into height. Of into base into height. Here again I draw one more perpendicular line to AB and I mark this point as O. So here half. So on the base is AB. The height is here OC. Height is OC. So we need to find H. We need to find the value of H. So again let us consider another triangle. So now you ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ area of the triangle consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ. This is one triangle. Draw one line. We need to area of the triangle formula is half into base into H. We know this base is AB and we need to find out H. So to find out H, we draw one perpendicular line and mark this point as O. So here area of the triangle equals half into base into H, that is base is AB and the height is OC. Let us consider another triangle. Another triangle is of different angle. Consider this as D, E and F. So area of triangle DEF equals half into base into height. So here base is DE and height is, to find out the height, I draw one perpendicular line to a base. Draw perpendicular line to base and I mark this point as O. Here you can write a perpendicular line inside or outside the triangle. So in this triangle I draw outside the triangle. This mark this point as FO or OF. So to find out this area of triangle of into base into height. So we should know this concept before going to prove this theorem. So since we have to prove AD by DB equals AE by EC. So we need to prove AD by DB equals AE by EC. So let us take first side. Let us take first side AD. Here AD as base. AD as base. Now here AD as, we are taking the side AD and we are considering as AD as base. So let us consider the triangle ADE. Consider triangle ADE because first we selected the side AD. So here, and we need to find the area of the triangle. So here, area of triangle ADE equals of into base into H. So here, of into base is AD, and the here height is EN. This line is perpendicular to this line. So this is the center perpendicular line. So I consider it as height. Hope you all understand this. I will mark this as equation 1. Don't get confused. In your textbook they are mentioned AR of AD. It is a short form of area of triangle. AR of AD means area of the triangle ADE. So next, let's take another side. Another side is, we are going to take D and B. Side DB. So consider a triangle DB. Consider a triangle DBE. Going to consider triangle DBE. We need to find area of this triangle. So area of triangle DBE equals of into base into height. Here the base is DB. Here the base is DB. And the height is EN. So I gave you an example when we are finding the area of the triangle. So here we consider this as a triangle ADE and perpendicular line here drawn outside the triangle. So this is the perpendicular line of DB. Perpendicular line drop from E to the base, it is EN. I will mark this as equation 2. Now divide these two equations. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. So here area of triangle ADE equals, area of the triangle ADE equals of into AD into EN. Of into AD EN. Divided by equation 2, that is area of triangle DBE equals, divided by half into DB into EN, half into DB into EN. So here half of get cancelled, EN get cancelled. So here remaining is AD by DB. Remaining term is AD by DB. So I mark this as equation 3. Equation 3. So since there is one more side AE, since side AE, since from the side AE, consider a triangle ADE. Again, here the previous year we considered AD as base. So now I am going to take another side as base of this triangle. So half into B into H, here half into base is AE, and the perpendicular line drawn from this is DM. This as equation 4. In the same way, the previous with D, B and D as a triangle. Now I am going to take D, E, C. The triangle DEC. Area of the triangle DEC equals half into base into height. Here half. So here the basis, this triangle basis EC. In the previous we took the base as DB, DB. Now we will take as base as E and C. E, C. Here the height is C. This is a triangle. Is a triangle. So EC is a base. EC is a base. One line is dropped from the point to the base. That is perpendicular line to the base. In this triangle is DM. So mark this as equation 5. So in the same way, divide equation 4 by equation 5. Divide equation 4 by equation 5. So equation 4 by equation 5. So area of triangle ADE. Equation 4 is ADE. Triangle ADE, which is equal to half into AE into DM divided by area of triangle DEC equals half into EC into DM. So here half of get cancelled, DM get cancelled. So AE by EC. AE by EC. Then mark this as equation 6. So compare equation 3 and equation 6. We can see numerator is same. So here BC. The numerator is same of equation 3 and 6. So, if you compare equation 3 and 6, numerator is same and denominator is different triangle. Different triangle means here this is equation 6, area of the triangle ADE divided by area of the triangle DCE equals AE by EC. Here numerator triangle is ADE, and in equation 3 also the numerator of the triangle is same. Both are triangle ADE. If these two are equal, then right hand side is also equal. Right hand side is also equal. So here AD by DB equals AE by EC. If the numerator of both equations are equal, then right hand side also become equal. So this side is equation 3 side is AD by DB. In equation 6 we got it as AE by EC. This is only we need to prove. So observe here the two triangle between two parallel lines, between two parallel DE and BC, two parallel DE and BC is two triangle between two parallel lines DE and BC. That means triangle BDE is equal to triangle DEC. So, see, observe here. When we take one side of a triangle, we take triangle ADE. By taking another side, again we take the same triangle ADE. So here we took the triangle DBE and again we took DEC. Once we took DBE and once we took DEC. So here if a triangle. So from this we got to know any two triangle drawn between two parallel lines on the same base, those area of the triangle are equal. So from equation 3 and 6, AD by DB equals AE by EC. So to prove this theorem, we should know how to find the area of the triangle and joining these four lines, and we need to observe carefully by taking the perpendicular lines of triangles. So if you understand these two concepts, you can easily prove this theorem. So while explaining, I wrote this theorem briefly. In your textbook they have given some little bit short. You can write any of the theorem. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. In the next video, just move on to next theorem, 2.2 theorem, and solve exercise 2.2. So ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಏನು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆ ದಿನನೇ ಬರೆದು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ನಂದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಆ ನ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.